everyone, Jules here from J. Martin Consulting, where we bring AI automation results to life for accounting firms and small businesses. If you ever wished your apps could talk to each other and just handle things for you, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about Zapier, secret sauce behind seamless business automation. Zapier is an online automation platform that you see on the screen that connects apps you already use like Gmail, Google Sheets, QuickBooks, Slack, HubSpot, and thousands more, so you can pass information between each other automatically. No code, no dev team, just smart workflows that save you time. Here's how it works. You create something called a Zap. Every Zap starts with a trigger, and that's the event that sets things in motion. So here we have a HubSpot. The new form submission is our trigger. Then the trigger leads to one or more actions, the tasks that Zapier carries out for you. For example, we have here a simple filter or Zapier based on a certain type of condition that we'll talk a little bit more later in the video. And we have another action where it'll send out an email on our behalf. So for example, if you receive an email with an invoice, Zapier can automatically save the attachment to Google Drive and then send you a Slack message. How awesome is that? The Zapier is especially powerful for small businesses. You can build automation that runs quietly in the background without writing a single line of code. In the accounting world, that means onboarding clients faster, logging payments automatically, and syncing systems in real time. So let's walk through a real-life example. This one's straight from my business, J. Martin Consulting, LLC. So on jmartin.consulting, you will find an AI Readiness Assessment, the quick quiz that evaluates where a business stands with AI integration maturity. And that form is powered by HubSpot. So when someone submits the form, so here, I've filled out the quiz. I've received a emerging stage score of 20. That I can just enter in my information to the HubSpot form, then hit submit, do the reCAPTCHA real quick, find those buses, verify I'm a human, and the form gets submitted. When someone submits the form, Zapier detects the new entry. That's going to kick off the trigger. That reads their AI readiness score. Here, we have the trigger set up with our HubSpot form. And then our next step, it's going to do a filter based on a condition where the emerging stage of the user, but reads their AI readiness stage, then uses the filter to determine what kind of email they should get based on the AI readiness stage. For example, if their AI readiness stage, as my case, was emerging, score between 0 and 29, Zapier sends them a tailored email with an AI readiness roadmap and checklist for the emerging stage. Let's check out this email as sent by Zapier as the to, who it's going to send it to, the subject line of the email, and the body is I used HTML. This is going to have the text within the email. We have a button where they can set up a call. So links kind of create that automation, have actual results based on leads I'm getting from clients. Again, what's so powerful about Zapier, all this happens automatically. It's personalized based on the set of conditions, the type of email that'll be sent. It's fast and also hands free. Why does this matter? Why would this matter to you of a small business? This is just more than a time saver. It's about creating smart, consistent experience that turns website visitors into a qualified lead instantly. So let's check out the email that was sent and has the email subject of your AI readiness result and roadmap of the emerging stage. We can see it has my name. Hi, Jules. Thanks for completing the AI Readiness Assessment. Based on your answers, you're currently at the emerging stage. So we can see this condition is working as intended. It includes a couple buttons that we have set up based on HTML as our AI Readiness roadmap. Here we got our roadmap for our clients and also an AI readiness checklist that will take them to the jmartin.consulting website and want to start building intelligent automated systems. Zapier is your new best friend. You want help setting it up, especially for your own client assessment tools or onboarding flows? Head over to jmartin.consulting. Let's build something that works while you work. Thanks for watching this video. If this helped, be sure to subscribe for more ways to grow your business with AI and automation.